Hello everyone, in this lecture I'll be discussing about how you can start your career as a big data engineer. So what is big data? Big data is all about to process your huge amount of data by using a technology called Hadoop or Spark, and some other technologies are there. There are many people are calling it as a different word, like some people are calling it as a data engineer, big data engineer, Spark developer, PySpark developer, cloud data engineer. So multiple people are calling with the different name, but at the end it is a data engineering field. Now the question comes in your mind that how can I start my career into the data engineering? To answer this question, if you want to start your career into the data engineering, there are 5 technologies you should be starting with that. The first technology you should know when you want to start your career into the data engineering, that is SQL. So what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language, and we are learning this technology from the college time. Now what we do into the SQL, let's say you have a database. The database can be from Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL. So whenever you want to talk to the Oracle database, or whenever you want to communicate with the Oracle database, you need one language, right? So that language we called it as a SQL, structured query language. It's not a programming language. It is a language which is mainly useful when you want to communicate with the databases. So you need to start learning about the SQL. That is the most important and demanding technology into the data engineering. Second technology that you should be aware about, that we call it as a Python. So why Python? Python is very demanding technology into the data engineering, and it has very I can say that a demand in the IT industry also. Python is a scripting programming language where most of the automation can be done by using the Python. If you have some basic knowledge about Python, it is good to start with the data engineering field. Python can be written with the multiple frameworks like Spark. So that's the reason it is good to understand about the Python. Third important technology which is required to understand about the data engineering is Linux. Now Linux is an operating system. Just like we have a Windows operating system, same way we have a Linux operating system is there. But the difference between Windows and Linux is, in Windows most of the work you do it by using the GUI method. Like if you want to create a folder, you do right click and create a folder. But in Linux, for everything will be done by using the Linux command only. Like let's say you want to create a directory, remove a directory, you want to change a directory, small tasks will be done by using the Linux command only. So understand about the Linux from the Udemy or YouTube, from wherever you want to do, and then you are ready for the data engineering field. Fourth important technology which you should start learning for the big data engineering, that we call it as a cloud. IT industry, there are multiple cloud platforms are there. Like you take the example of AWS, Azure, GCP, and many other cloud platforms are there. If you have some basic knowledge about any cloud platform, let's take an example of AWS only, then you can easily understand other cloud platform. In the big data engineering, we need to understand that how you can deploy your code to the cloud, what is cloud, what is the importance of cloud, and there are multiple services are there, but you should start learning the services which are important related to the data engineering. Last but not the least, which is very important technology that you should start learning, we call it as a shell scripting. So shell scripting is all about where you are doing the automation kind of work. Let's say you have already written your data engineering pipeline, like your code is ready. Now it is a time to execute that code. So if you want to execute that code, that needs to be an automated process, right? So that automated process you can do it by using the shell scripting. Even though you are working with the data engineering field, shell scripting is mostly and widely used. It's a old technology, but I can see that again the importance of these technologies keep on increasing into the IT industry. So overall there are 5 technologies are there which you should know to start with the data engineering. The first one is SQL, Linux, Python, cloud, and shell scripting. If you know these 5 technology, then you can easily start your career into the data engineering or big data engineering. So if you want to understand about this 5 technology, you can use the resources like Udemy is there, which is you can just spend some 200 or 300. If you want completely free of cost, YouTube channels are there. If you want to understand about in depth about this technology, you can join the training. Like we do provide the training on big data starting from very basic till slowly we will go to the advanced part. So if you are interested to join this paid training along with us, you can call us. The number is available in the description, or there are multiple blogs are available in the Google. You can use that one also. And nowadays the people are learning from the ChatGPT also, so you can use that for your data engineering. So this is the complete roadmap of data engineering or big data field. And if you have any questions, queries, anything, please let us know. We will definitely create a video on this. And please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And again, if you are interested for real-time data engineering technology training, you can reach out to us. And please let us know what is the next video you want to listen from us. Thanks.